Once upon a time, there was a little cat named Milo, who dreamed of flying. Every morning, he'd sit by the window, watching the birds soar high above the clouds. He'd stretch out his paws and whisper, "If only I could fly too." One sunny day, Milo had an idea. He found some colorful balloons, tied them all around himself, and before he knew it, he was floating. Higher and higher he went, eyes wide, heart racing. For a moment, he felt like the happiest cat in the world. But then, a gust of wind swept through the sky. Poor Milo wobbled, twirled, and, poof, landed right in a bush. Just when he thought his dream was over, the birds he admired came fluttering down. They chirped, tugged at the strings, and helped him out. From that day on, Milo never flew again. But every morning, the birds would visit him by the window. And together, they'd dream new dreams, ones that didn't need wings to soar. Because sometimes, the best way to fly is with friends. Please like and subscribe for more.